Trying to launch a game or app only to be stopped by the SxS Shim Library DLL error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've analyzed this error to find the fastest fix. Before the technical guide for SxS Shim Library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the SxS Shim Library, the side-by-side SxS Shim Library. It manages the unmanaged localized redirection of localized assembly, localized calls to ensure the localized correct version of localized system DLLs are loaded by localized applications. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. For a proper resolution, I recommend reinstalling the Microsoft SQL Server Shim framework. You can find the x86 and x64 installers for the Visual C++ redistributables on Microsoft's official site. Be sure to install both to ensure full compatibility. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including SxS Shim Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Installing an unverified version of SxS Shim Library DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. A recommended diagnostic path for SxS Shim library management is outlined in the software resource linked below. To keep SxS Shim library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.